welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I am so glad you're here. We do all kinds of fun unboxings from beauty, lifestyle, snacks, pets, home decor. We do everything here. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And guys, as always, please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. It does help me out. Don't forget, we have active giveaways going on. They will all be linked down below, so check them out if you have not already. But as you can see from the title, today we have a brand new subscription, and that is this huge box right here from Joynergy. So what is Joynergy? This is a monthly toy subscription box, and it says that your children's joy is our energy. So I will put a link down below to Joynergy if you would like to check them out. This is a $37.99 a month subscription. Now you can get it for as low as $29.99. You can go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months. What I like about this is you could customize this box. And it's free shipping, I forgot to say. So you can customize as far as letting them know the gender and the age of your child, and they will from that customize the toys to your child's needs using STEM concepts of childhood development, which I think is fantastic. And right now on their website, they have a promo code, which is SNOW50, SNOW50. I'll put that down below with the link as well. That will get you 50% off your first box. So let's get in here and see exactly what we got. Now, they did ask me, because they did send this to me free for review, they asked if they could send me a box, and I said, sure. They asked me for gender and age, and I actually went with like 1 to 3, and boy. So this is because I have 2 younger nephews who will probably enjoy this. So that is the age group and the gender that this is going to be for. So let's get in here and see what we got. This box is huge. Now it did come in an outer box, but I think it just even looks fun. So, but let's take the lid off. Whoa. I'm telling you, this thing is ginormous. And it is like packed. Is this a card? Do you have a card? Welcome to Joynergy. Oh, this has okay, I'm already impressed. Because they, not only do they have listed on here each of the products with a description, they also included pricing. Phenomenal. All right, so it says, our story. We are a toy company dedicated to the best toy buying experience for children all across the world. Over 1 million families trust us with their toy needs, and we are very grateful for their continuous support. We will continue our best to serve our loyal users through feedback and customer engagement. In order to provide a top-notch toy buying experience and customer service, we have launched a subscription box called Joynergy based on our expertise. Our hope is to be the best companion for you, your family, and your child. The little lion Leo is our representative of the Joynergy family. It is lively, cute, brave, and kind. It likes toys, sports, and meeting new friends. Leo is known to be a good friend for all kinds of children. It can be a wonderful companion to your children. It grows with the children and encourages them to be a better version of themselves. It uses its enthusiasm to bring happiness to its partners. Okay. And then, like I said, we have our sheet here. So, going to pull some of these items out. This box is, like I said, ginormous. It's got some squigglies. so I think that is everything. So we'll start with this one right here on top. And this says Fun Little Toys. This is for 18 months plus, swirling tower. And it says teether, durable and healthy material. Hands-on ability, physical sense, exploration and discovery, spatial reasoning skills. So there is what that looks like. Let's see what it says. Drop and go tower ramp. This is $22.95. 5-tier tower ramp and 2 balls will bring toddlers endless excitement. Adorned with a happy bird on top. Easy to use design. Just stack the ramps, one being on top, then drop the balls into the top funnel. Watch as the ball rolls down to the next step and baby light up with glee and giggles. That'll be fun. All right, and then we have interactive touchscreen remote control. Thinking ability, hands-on ability, and hand-eye coordination. And this says a baby toy remote and cell phone. Double the toys, double the fun. RC features channels, keys, remote control. Features channels, keys to imitate a realistic TV remote, switching between different channels, volumes, adjustments, select music, and etc. And then it says explore and dial in call message numbers and various icons, animals, and music, and more. And that is on the phone. This again is, or if I didn't say, this is $16.95. That's cool. Stop crying, animal, fun, music. Awesome. All right, and then this is a soft hand ball teether. It says it can be boiled, edible silicone teether. Right there. Manhattan ball, a beautiful sensory experience for babies. Let baby chew on the soft tubes and textured shapes to soothe those sore and achy gums. Meanwhile, lightweight design and big loops make it easier for little hands to grasp, hold, and shake, making it a great way to engage fine motor skills. $15.95. All right, and then we have bath toys. Interactive bath toys, 8-piece. I'm sure you guys can see. Make a splash at home with the 3 squirting sea creatures. Watch the squid's eyes spin with water power and wind up the tortoise to see him swim and play. Turn bath time into a splashing ocean adventure. So it comes with these 2 right here, the little spout, and then it also has like the little squirters and the turtle. So that is super, super cute. And then our final item is an owl tumbler. Adorable owl tumbler. Roly-poly owl with a melodious bell inside. Every time when you push him, he'll make some beautiful melodies. At the same time, he rolls around and brings tons of fun for baby to chase. $15.95. I was trying to see if I could hear it. So that is super cute. Oh, and it actually, okay, so here it shows you the back. That's where you can do like the light and lighting and music. And then the ears are actually little teethers. That's awesome. So I really liked that. I thought that it had a good variety. First of all, there were 5 different products. But obviously some of the products had more than one item in them. But it's just such a good variety. And I think that's just fantastic. Like, got something for the tub, you know, the cell phone and the remote, and then the little tumbler owl and something for the for their teething, and then the little spinny ball. I think that was great, and the value I think is definitely there. It's $37.95 or $99 for the subscription with free shipping, or if you go ahead and prepay, you can get it even cheaper per month. I'll put the total value right down here of what this adds up to, but it's definitely well over that $37.99. So let me know what you thought about the Joynergy box. I think I'm gonna have 2 happy nephews. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.